Right, first rabbit for the Anchutz. Nice big one. Lovely shot as well, I say so myself. As you can see, I've made a slight change to the rifle. I've put a Hawke, and this is a VANTAGE30 WASFIR. It's a mouthful for you, and it's a 6-24 by 50. And I've also put the little bubble mount on the top of the mounts as well, sports match bubble mount on the sports match scope. I changed the scope mainly because of the ret. This has got a really fine ret on it, much more suitable for use on this rifle, and it's much easier to get a decent sight picture than with the other ret, which was quite a big mill dot, which obscured the image of the target quite a lot. So yeah, really impressed with this. I've also changed pellets. I've started shooting an 8.44 grain QIS pellet instead of the JSB heavies. And what I did, I actually put this through my chrono, and it's actually not that powerful really. It's actually quite low. They reckon it's running about 11, but this was with the JSB heavies, it was running at about 10.9, something like that. And with the 8.44 grains, it's given about 10.5, but it obviously gave a much faster muzzle velocity with the 8.44s. So I decided to use them instead, because I like that flatter trajectory. And to be honest with you, 10.5 foot-pounds is plenty enough, because this rifle's more than capable of putting every shot in a rabbit's head. That one there just shot it about 40 yards in the thistles, didn't have a particularly clear sight picture of it, poked its head out literally for a second, bang, got it. So yeah, what a marvellous gun, and it handles so well as well, it really does. I'm loving this scope. I have ordered a riser rail in case I decide to put one of my Picatinny railed scopes on it, but I must admit at the minute this Hawke's proving its worth. Shot some target groups with it before it came out, 22 yards, and every single pellet's going through the same hole. I mean literally the same hole. It's so much easier to get a precise targeting picture with a really small reticule than that bigger one. I also put a slightly longer Picatinny rail on the front than the one that was on it, the one that I fitted to it when I first got it. I've put a slightly longer one on so I can move my bipod further along the rail, a bit further forward, and I can also, if need be, put the bipod on and also put my shot camera on it. And I'm still using that carbon fibre twink silencer, which really does make this so quiet. It's sort of just a hush little put, that's about it really. So yeah, really impressed, and it's its first rabbit, first time out hunting with it, and first real chance. Nice rabbit for the ferrets. So yeah, happy days. Really good rifle, and I must admit, well impressed with this Hawke scope. I do like Hawke scopes. For the money you can't go wrong really. They're hard to beat for what you pay for them. The optics are very good, the reticules are normally very good. This has got push-pull turrets, illuminated ret, full parallax adjustment, wide angle optics, really nice zoom, everything's well weighted in it. All in all, really nice, impressed with it. So there you go, so first rabbit, and very impressed, and it's turned out to be a nice evening as well. It's not chucking it down like it was earlier, so happy days all round really. What a lovely rifle. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe.